What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a super quick look at Elrond here, and as we can see, it is performing very nicely. I mean, look at this formation here. This is absolutely perfect, isn't it? You can see here we've got that, coiling formation that we've seen ever since, what was this, start of September. We were pumping up nicely. We had a really big pump at the start of September here, going into the middle of September. Obviously, big retracement with September looking quite bearish. Coiling in and around that previous all-time high level of around $250-ish. You can see it up here at around $250 at this level here. We were coiling around this area for a good while, clearly forming some kind of pennant here, as you can see. We got the breakout where we come up basically all the way up to around that all-time high at around $300, but we got front run. Obviously we've had a rollover here, but coming down to find a bit of support, and look where we found support pretty much perfectly on the apex of that previous pennant. We've come down, we've actually wicked all the way down onto the 55 moving average there, come back up, and actually the candle is actually sitting really nicely right now on top of that previous support of the bottom of the pennant, and on that previous resistance flipped into support of the top of the pennant. I mean, you can see just how bullish this is. If we get this retested fully as support, this is going to be absolutely amazing for continuation, isn't it? Overall, Elrond looking really strong. Obviously made a new all-time high recently, and now looking like it's probably going to start marching on pretty soon in our opinion. And as you can see with our Fibonacci retracement tool, we have essentially broken that previous all-time high and come back down and retested it as support absolutely perfectly, along with that those previous resistances and support there, all flipped into support, along with a perfect wick onto that previous all-time high there at $245. Very clear that we flipped that resistance into support now. And you can see today Elrond actually did pump up all the way to around $280, currently at around $264, having a bit of a correction on the hourly time frame here. You can see we had that big reversal off the bottom where we come down, we have that big overextension, but we wick all the way back up perfectly to the absolute dollar here, retesting that previous all-time high there, along with those previous resistances and supports, all flipped into support, looking very bullish. You can see here obviously we get a little bit of a pickup off the bottom, massive pump to the upside, a bit of a a retracement here, and now it looks as though we are coiling potentially for that continuation to the upside. So overall, Elrond looking extremely good. It's pretty clear here that we've made that macro higher high, higher low, higher high, back testing for that higher low, and then if we get that next higher high for that fifth wave, if you believe in that Elliott wave theory, then obviously coming up towards that $1,000 mark, we believe is probably going to be our next port of call on our Fibonacci. So keeping things very short and sweet, as we said, obviously looking very good for continuation. If we roll over here, we do have this nice bit of support in and around this area again, coming down to around that $240-ish area. If we roll over further, we obviously have that very strong psychological $200 level in and around this area here, where we could see ourselves retesting for a quick sweep if we have a big rollover in the market. But from what we can tell, our next target for Elrond in all reality is back to that all-time high at $305, and then beyond that, as we said before, we've got the 127 extension at $375. So things looking really good overall. And then obviously, as we said, we do think Elrond over $1,000 by the end of the bull run. Doesn't seem that unlikely at all once we start to go parabolic. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.